Tonight, there's an effort underway to address how hard the African American community has been hit by COVID-19. As News 4 has reported, a majority of positive cases and deaths from the virus in the St. Louis area are African Americans. News 4's Ashley Lincoln is live in North County detailing these new efforts.
That's right, Steve. We're live in Jennings tonight. According to county zip code maps, this is one of the areas that's hit hardest with more than 100 cases. That's why leaders tonight are telling us the bottom line here is that more resources need to be allocated to these communities to prevent the number of deaths that we are seeing in the African American community.
And it took a pandemic like this to really shine the light on the fact that these structural racism issues are really the root cause of mostly every problem in the African American community.
A panel discussion with county, state, and medical leaders focusing tonight on the disparities.
It's almost like a death sentence.
St. Louis County leaders say one factor heavily affecting the African American community, the lack of testing, especially in areas of North City and North County.
And just looking at where the actual need is, it really just was mind-boggling to me that the first sites were not in those areas that were the most vulnerable.
St. Louis County Executive Sam Page says when they started noticing increasing COVID-19 cases from North County, his office formed an advisory team. It's organized resources with more than 40 nonprofits. Page also says they've entered into a contract with some North County hotels for those who've tested positive and are homeless or they live with several family members.
Because we know that 70 to 80% of the spread of this virus is among family members. And what this virus does is it shines a spotlight on those inequities because it hits people, it hits especially hard in populations with chronic medical problems, with difficulties to access to care. So what this virus has done is highlighted something that's been going on for decades.
Sam Page has requested the county to approve $7 million for the health department to provide more testing, specifically in the Black community.
I don't think it's too late. I think it's unfortunate that we're in the position that we're in as a country, but we are going to get we will receive our stimulus funds. We will direct it to where it's needed most.
Now, in the last few weeks, more testing sites have been placed in both North City and North County. We will have a complete list on our KMOV News app. Live tonight in Jennings, Ashley Lincoln, News 4.